In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate SequenceKit.com. We'll walk through creating a sequence from start to finish so you can build engaging, scheduled emails with confidence. Start on your Kit.com dashboard. From the top navigation, open the Send area, then choose Sequences. This is the hub where all your automated email flows live, and it's the best place to keep everything organized as you scale. Create a new sequence by selecting New Sequence. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Pick one that matches your goal, whether that's a welcome series, a follow-up, or a simple one-off. If you prefer full control, you can start from a minimal or blank option. The template just gives you a head start with structure. You can change anything later. Next, add your subject line. Keep it concise, clear, and relevant to the promise of the email. Aim for something your audience would immediately recognize as valuable. Avoid spammy words and consider adding a hint of specificity, like a benefit or time frame, to set expectations. Give your sequence a title. This internal name helps you and your team identify the flow at a glance, so make it descriptive, like post-demo follow-up or new subscriber welcome. Now, edit the content body. Write in short paragraphs, use a friendly tone, and lead with the value your reader will get. Break up long blocks of text and make your call to action obvious. If you reference resources, link them clearly so readers don't have to hunt. Use the plus icon to add more tools. This is where you can insert elements that enhance clarity and engagement. Things like buttons for your main call to action, images that illustrate a point, or formatting elements that guide the reader's eye. Keep visuals purposeful and lightweight to preserve deliverability. Open the Send This Email settings to control delivery behavior. This panel ties your content to the timing rules of the sequence, ensuring each message goes out exactly when you intend. Click the After 1 Day option to fine-tune timing. Adjust the delay to hours or days to match your buyer journey, spacing messages so they feel considerate rather than overwhelming. Align send times with when your audience is most likely to engage, and keep timing consistent across the sequence for a smoother experience. When everything looks good, click Publish. Give your copy a final proofread, verify links, and confirm your timing choices. Publishing activates the automation so new contacts entering the flow will receive each message according to your schedule. And that's it. Your automated sequence is live and working for you around the clock.